Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to talk about 4 Amazon KDP keywords that are low competition, high demand about Father's Day. So we're talking about Father's Day Amazon KDP keywords that you need to get started creating books for. So let's get started with our first keyword for the day. And if you have yet not subscribed to the channel, highly recommend you subscribe for daily videos to do with passive income, to do with earning passive income on Amazon KDP, as well as revealing low competition, high demand Amazon KDP keywords and ways to earn money writing articles using Medium and Vocal and print on demand as well. Let's get started with our first keyword for the day. And our first keyword for the day is Father's Day coloring book for kids. And I'm using 2 Chrome extensions to analyze the analytics for each of the keywords discussed in this video. The first one is Self-Publishing Titans Chrome extension, and the second one is Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension. And I did dive in deep on the 4 free Chrome extensions that you can use for revealing profitable Amazon KDP keywords in a video that I made. You will find the link to that video in the description box below. Now let's get started with the first keyword, Father's Day coloring book for kids. It has a keyword niche score of 43 given by Self-Publishing Titans and a super low total results of 501. Average bestsellers 735,496, and average price is perfect for low competition Amazon KDP niches, which is $7.39. And there are books that are not sponsored yet they do have a bestseller rank on there, and they are selling quite good as well. Now keep in mind, this is a coloring book for kids to do with Father's Day, so you might want to add in some inspirational Father's Day quotes maybe, and also you need to make the cover super engaging and kid friendly as well. And you might even want to dive in deep and select other mini niches from that big niche, such as Father's Day coloring book for kids, girls, to do with gender, or boys, or even age groups as well, such as 4 to 8 or 8 to 12 and so forth as well. So you can sub niche, or you can create a Father's Day coloring book for kids. To do with that, you can create a funny Father's Day coloring book for kids, an inspirational Father's Day coloring book for kids. So, you know, a humorous, like so much different genres you can dive in deep if you would like to sub niche for this keyword. So the first keyword, Father's Day coloring book for kids. Another thing you want to look at is select an example of a really good book that is selling well under this theme right here. Now, just as a quick example, Happy Father's Day coloring book for kids 2022, highly not advised to insert the year that you insert the year number, because then you will be limited to just that year number. Then customers would be like, oh, okay, why is it 2022? Can we not use it in 2023? That just limits, and that just creates a limiting image of the product that you are selling. So please don't include the year number in your title or in your subtitle, because that will have a negative consequences on your sales as well. So for example, we've got a couple of really good ones here. This is Dear Dad, I Made This Just For You, a really good independently published book, and it has a bestseller rank of 130,373. And mind you, the keyword Father's Day coloring book for kids is not mentioned, not in the title and not in the subtitle, which means that they have inserted this keyword in the 7 keyword slots. And this is why it's ranking under this on the first page. Another thing you would like to do is just scroll through, and we're using a Chrome extension for that, and we could see the categories that this book is published in. It is currently listed at bestseller rank number 232 in fatherhood and number 1353 in children's coloring books. So these are the categories that you would need to choose for when you are uploading your book as well. Now always try to aim for over delivering adding extra value to your coloring books. Don't just make it a simple coloring book, adding some twist here and there, adding some doodling pages to allow the kids some freedom to doodle and to write and do whatever they need to, just to give that impression of an added value for the customer, so they can make sure that they're getting that extra boost as well when it comes to the contents of the interior. It has been given a number 9 by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension, which indicates that it is a great niche. So I highly recommend you dive into the keyword Father's Day coloring book for kids and create books for that. You can find lovely interiors on Creative Fabrica, the link in the description box below, for a 30-day free trial for Creative Fabrica, an all-access free trial that allows you free KDP interiors and keywords, as well as many more graphics and interiors as well. Let's dive into the second keyword for the day, and the second keyword to do with Father's Day is Father's Day word search puzzle book. Father's Day word search puzzle book has a keyword niche score of 39, total results of 364, and the bestseller rank is quite high, which is 1,117,804, but all the other indicators indicate that this is quite a profitable keyword. We are given a number 7, categorizing this niche as a nice niche by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension. As you can see here below, there's that number 7 right over there as well, and the average price is perfect for low content books, which is priced at $7.53, and we've got an average of 16 reviews. So then again, you could create word searches, puzzle book for Father's Day, select a couple of words here and there, select a theme. Would you like it to be funny? Would you like it to be inspirational, motivational, humorous, horror, whatever it is that would allow you to sub-niche, and it would allow you to be special in that way as well. So we've got a couple of books that are selling quite well under this keyword, and mind you, most of these books have this keyword Father's Day word search puzzle book in the 7 keyword slot, so it's not mentioned in the title in most cases of the books being sold. For example, this one right here, it is a Father's Day word search jumbo print as well. We've got a couple of books. This one is sponsored, so we would not discuss this. There is a couple of other books as well in that have been recently published, yet they are still selling quite well. Father's Day word search puzzle book would be a niche that I'm going to dive in for. I wouldn't completely invest my time and energy into this niche because of the bestseller rank being so high, yet I would create a book or 2 under this and promote them on Pinterest using free pins, and I will update you on how that goes as well. So I just wanted to share this bonus keyword with you. Father's Day word search puzzle book has a keyword niche score of 39 and a number 7 by Amazon Scout Pro. Let's head over to the third keyword for the day, and the third keyword is Father's Day coupon book, and it has a keyword niche score of 52, and all the other indicators in the analytics section given by self-publishing titans indicate that this is a great keyword to dive in for. So for this reason, I will be ignoring the number 5 given by the Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension, and I'll be diving into deep on this niche because of the analytics that we're going to talk about. Total results 265, average bestseller rank is 495,020. I would prefer if it were around the 300,000, yet this is really good as well. And we've got the average reviews 1,168, and the average bestseller average price is $8.25, indicating that the majority are low content self-published books. So as you can see here, it's just a coupon for dad. This one, the more gift coupons you could offer in your book, the better it is, because it would give that perceived added value. This one, for example, is selling quite well. It's not sponsored yet. It does have a bestseller rank of 117,543, and it has 52 gift coupons. This one has 30 pre-filled and blank vouchers, and the interior for this is available on Creative Fabrica. You can easily go ahead and download it, and you will find a link in the description box below for the 30-day free trial to Creative Fabrica. And what would you do is you would download the KDP interior, upload it as a PDF to Canva, make a few edits, change the font, add in a border, take out elements to make it unique, to make it your own, and then re-upload to Amazon KDP that way. So keep in mind the cover needs to be engaging as always. Focus on masculine colors as much as possible, such as deep blue, and you'll be fine to go as well. So the keyword is Father's Day coupon book, and there are a lot of books that are having a bestseller rank for that are not sponsored, so there's no ads running. The fourth and the final keyword, I saved the best for the last, and it is Father's Day Inspirational Quote Coloring Book, and it has a keyword niche score of 63, and we have the green light right here given by Self-Publishing Titans, and a total results is perfect below 1000, sitting at 671, an average bestseller rank of 486,430, and an average price is $7.33. Mind you, you would need to raise your prices beginning of June because of the increased printing cost by Amazon KDP. So the price of $7 and $6 is no longer a price that you would want to go for because of the increased price cost. Thus, you would get lower royalties. So make sure you do the increase either manually or automatically before June. The sooner the better, because it does take a few weeks to have an effect. So Father's Day Inspirational Quote Coloring Book, amazing book. You could sub niche, you could dive in deep into that by creating based on the genre, based on the gender, based on the age group as well. It would be amazing. Also, do you want a Father's Day Inspirational Quote Coloring Book for kids, or do you want it for adults? Do you want it for seniors, or do you want it for boys or girls? Do you want it for toddlers, and so forth? You'd have so much space to dive in deep, as much deeper as you can. And you can also create a general inspirational dad quote coloring book, such as this one right here, which has a really nice cover.